How to assemble our mobile laptop cart with keyboard tray. Install the desktop connector to the top of the column so that it is perpendicular to the foot pedal. Lay the desktop upside down on a soft, flat surface and place the column on top with the foot pedal facing toward the longer side of the desk. Align the holes and secure the column to the desktop. Secure the keyboard tray rails to each end of the bracket. Install the casters to the base with the non-locking casters on the shorter end and the locking casters on the longer end. Attach the base to the column so that the longer end of the base with the locking casters is facing the same direction as the foot pedal. Pull the keyboard tray rails out and place the keyboard tray on top, aligning the holes with those on the rail. Secure the keyboard tray onto the rails using the provided screws. Peel the adhesive backing from the keyboard stopper and press the stopper firmly onto the end of the tray. The desk can be raised and lowered using the foot pedal at the base of the column. Use the locking casters when needed to prevent the desk from rolling. If the cart is not level, adjust the lower nut as shown to raise or lower the height of each caster. Tighten the upper nut after each adjustment. Pull the keyboard tray forward to use and slide it back to stow it neatly under the desktop when not in use. Extend the built-in mouse tray to the left or right side of the keyboard tray as needed for additional space and comfort.